Bonjour, ma'am.
Bonjour. Sukh Sahaj, beta, open your camera.
Ma'am, I cannot open camera. I have said to Simrati ma'am also.
Okay.
Ma'am, his camera is not working.
All right. I think we should wait for other students to join, then we'll begin.
Yes,
Let's wait for 1 more minute. Hamad, what did we do last week?
Ma'am, I was not present last week.
You were not present. Sukh Sahaj, were you there in the class? Yes, Sukh Sahaj.
Ma'am, your voice is cutting.
I am asking, were you there last week in the class?
No, ma'am.
You were not there. What about you, Jasmine?
Ma'am, in last class we have done test.
Test? No, beta. Where are you?
Ma'am, we have learned day of the weeks.
We learned days of the week. Okay. So, coming back to that chapter once again, we have learned a few we have learned all the days of the week and we have learned a few subjects, right?
Yes, ma'am.
There were different subjects given in the chapter that we have learned. Now, today what we are going to do is we are going to learn a new verb, that is aller verb. All of you take out your copies also and look at the board. Everybody can see this board? Oh,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
yes. What you will do is on a piece of paper in your copy, in your copy, not on a piece of paper, draw this table. Here we are going to write all the subject pronouns. I don't have much space, so I am writing SP. What you are going to write? You are going to write subject pronouns. One verb that we have done is être verb. The other one is avoir. And the third one is, today that we are going to learn is aller verb. A-double-L-E-R. Aller. We have these three verbs. They all are irregular verbs. What are they known as? They are known as irregular verbs in French. Now, what is the sequence of subject pronouns? We have learned subject pronouns. The sequence goes je, tu, Then comes ill,
L. Yes, sir.
ill, L. Then we
Ma'am,
have,
we have done this.
we have made this table.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I can show you my copy.
All of you have made, or somebody is left there who has not made? Hamad, have you made, beta?
Yes, ma'am. We have done this one.
Sukh Sahej, you have also done?
Yes, ma'am. One time we have done this one.
Okay. Now what we will do is I am going to give you a little exercise wherein you have to translate these in French. These are small sentences using these three verbs. Now open this page where you have written these three verbs. What you will do is you will translate them in French. Is that fine? Suppose I am writing he goes. He goes. Now what is he goes in French? You have to write that.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
Yes, you have to write this and then you have to translate it in French. You should know the translation, which verb to use, whether to use aller verb or to use être verb, which verb is to be used when you translate them in French.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, I am showing you, ma'am, that we have done that.
You have done this also.
No, ma'am. That's
No,
one.
ma'am.
Okay, now what you will do this work, click a picture and send on the class group.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
want to see whether everyone has done it correctly or not.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what's the first one?
The first one is he goes. He
Okay,
goes.
ma'am. Ma'am, what's 8-1?
Beta, it's I go. Click a picture and send on the class group as you finish it.
Ma'am, I have sent it.
Sent?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see beta, we have not done only this verb Ayushi. You are writing for he goes, you are writing il part. For he goes, you are writing il part. Do you even know where this word part comes from? Do you know? It comes from the verb partir. Have you done this verb partir? Just because the Google says so does not mean you are supposed to write it. You have not learned this verb. It is going to be ilva. He goes is ilva because we have learnt aler verb. And partir does not mean to go, it means to leave. So when I say he leaves, you are supposed to write il part. And instead of on, now here see, on that beta, we have learned nous avons. That is why I was making you do that table, to which you said, ma'am, we have already done that table. So what is the use of doing that table when you still have to use Google Translator? Instead of doing it from the table, you people are opening Google Translator.
Ma'am,
Again, the last one, I go. Just cut it, cross it, and write it from the table. What should be written there? I'm going to cancel it like this if you do the same thing in exams, children. The teacher easily comes to know when you have used Google Translator and when you have done it on your own.
ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I don't know of iron.
You don't know of
Ma'am, I am.
I am. I is je. And am comes from which verb? To be verb. I am, you are, he is, she is. To be. Now, which is to be verb in French? It is être verb. And how is être verb conjugated with ye? Just see in the table that you have done and tell me how it is to be conjugated.
Ma'am, etro.
Être. Beta, être
Ma'am,
को हम
just,
je suis. It is je suis.
just,
Okay.
okay, ma'am. Ma'am, so I go is also same.
What is same?
Ma'am, I go.
I go. नहीं बेटा अब I go verb कौन सा होता है? To go verb कौन सा है? Go is aller verb, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now how does aller verb work with all subject pronouns? It is a different verb.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, ma'am, it would be will.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Who is saying good afternoon? Utkarsh Sharma.
Yes, ma'am.
You have joined the class now.
Yes, ma'am, because when I was trying to join, it was showing an unknown error occurred.
Okay, beta. Now I have written a few sentences here on the board. You have to write them in your copies in French. Using
Okay,
three
ma'am.
verbs, three irregular verbs, être, avoir, and aller, you have to you have to write them in French.
Okay, ma'am.
क्या कह रहे हैं प्लाई हटा के हो ना तो यार वो इतनी बड़ी प्लाई है कैसे हटेगी
He goes, we have, you are, they go, she is.
म्यूट योरसेल्फ बेटा
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, could you please explain the what will be there for you are and they go?
बेटा you are. अब you are के लिए हम कौन सा verb use करेंगे? Eth verb. What is you? Either it will be shown by thew or vu. V-O-U-S. Right? Now what does eth verb become with thew? Look at the table. You have written the table you were saying. It becomes thew a in informal. And in formal it becomes vuzet. Right? And what is the second one that you were asking?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, they go.
They go. Okay. Go. Now, which is go verb according to French? Go is aller verb, right? So, what does aller verb become with ILS or ELLES? It is written as vont. Il vont, el vont. The purpose of making you write all these three verbs together in one table is this only, that you are able to do it very easily. But when you read these English sentences, you must know which verb is to be used when I'm talking about are, which verb is to be used when I'm saying she is, am. This should be on your fingertips.
Excuse,
Yes, beta.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, could you please tell me one more? The A one, I go.
I go. Now, what is go verb? Tell me. You will tell me.
Aller.
Aller. ठीक है. What is I in French called?
I'm here.
Je.
I'm here.
Now look at the table. Open that table. How aller is written with je? Tell me. The table we did last week, wherein we wrote all three verbs together, être, aller, and avoir. Open that.
Ma'am, it is written at way.
Way. Very
Ma'am,
good.
way.
Yes.
V-A-I-S.
I-S. So I go is je vais. I go is written as je vais in French. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what would be of she is?
She is. What is she in French? I'm erasing
Ma'am,
this.
she in French is elle.
L. And what is? Is which verb? She is. मतलब वो है. वो है का मतलब to be. Right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
which is to be verb in French?
Ma'am, être.
Être verb. अब être की table में how do we write être with L? Tell me.
Ma'am, there is no word elle.
L. A. L. A means she is. Okay. And if I want to say they are, अगर मुझे इस चीज को प्लूरल में लिखना है, how am I going to write? I am going to write L, I'll add S over here, and A becomes song. L song. Okay?
Ma'am, was also was.
Woo. Now who
Yes,
means you. You formal or you plural. It means both of it. If I want to say you are, I will write vous êtes. Vous êtes. And if I want to write this thing in singular, तो क्या बन जाता है? Who becomes tu and et becomes a. Tu a. This also means you are. Children, for this, beta, you have to learn that table very thoroughly. Without that
Excuse me,
table, yes.
ma'am, my nose and is not filled.
So what I'll do is, I'll again write this table. Those who have written, it will be a revision for you, because any which ways you need a revision of this work. By seeing your performance, I feel that you need a revision. Now I'm going to write subject pronouns. Just wait. Subject pronouns here. Right? The subject pronouns, how do they work? Je, tu, il, elle. Then after it comes nous, vous, il, and plural, elle, which means they. Il, ILS and ELLES stand for they. The first verb we learnt was être verb. Être means to be. किसी चीज का होना. अब किसी चीज का होना क्या होता है? हम यही तो कहते हैं वो है, ये है, आज मौसम अच्छा है. किसी चीज का होना, right? The girl is, the boy is, we are, I am. So how is it used? It is used like je suis. If I want to say I am, I'll say je suis. Tu es. Il and L, est. Then nous sommes, SOMMES, nous sommes. After it we have vous êtes. And in the end, they are is ils sont. Is that clear? This is être verb.
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Now, coming on to the next verb, that is avoir. Avoir means to have. Avoir means to have.
Yes,
Now, if I
ma'am.
want to say I have something, I have a pen, I have a chocolate, I have this, I have that, I'm going to write j'ai. Then with tu, it will come as as, tu are. Il, L, single a. It is also pronounced as a. He has or she has. Then if I want to say we have, now what is we have? Nous avons. Nous avons. Then vous avez. You have. And in the end, it will be ils ont. ONT. With être verb, it is SONT. With avoir verb, it is ONT. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then the next is last verb, that is aller verb, which we are going to learn in this chapter. Aller means to go. If I want to say I go, what does it become? It becomes V-A-I-S with je. Je vais. Then tu vas. V-A-S. Then il va. Elle va. He goes or she goes. After that, we have we go. Now, what is we go? It becomes nous allons. Nous allons. We go. Vous allez.
Ma'am, what
Yes.
pronunciation?
Nous allons. Vous allez.
Okay, ma'am.
And then in the end, it becomes V-O-N-T. Now, if you look at all these three verbs together, we see slight difference, slight change in the working. And that slight change is supposed to be on our fingertips to frame the sentences correctly, to learn the basics of French language. These three verbs are the basics of French language. You have not learned any other verbs so far except for these three verbs. While you know a language has infinite verbs, English language also, how many verbs are there? Have you ever wondered? No. It's endless. There is no counting. These three verbs are supposed to be kept on our fingertips. We should be thoroughly learning them. And rest of the verbs just work on particular patterns. We need not learn all the verbs. We just need to learn the pattern on which they work. Is that clear? All of you have
Yes,
written this table?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to ask one thing.
Ma'am, I have written.
Ma'am, I want to
Yes,
ask one
ask.
thing. Ma'am, what will be the pronunciation of the last one? Is
Okay, listen.
ma'am,
See
in the
here.
aller verb.
Wait, beta, wait. I'll tell three of them. This will be ils sont. Now, when you have to pronounce avoir, what is the difference? Ils ont. Now we have Z sound. If I take out Z sound, that means I'm talking about avoir verb. I want to say ils ont un stylo. They have a pen. Okay. And the last one, ils vont. Now I will not take out the sound of S over here because all the consonants are supposed to be silent if they come in the end of any verb. Sorry, any word. They are supposed to be silent. Why I am taking out the sound over here? Because it is a vowel. And we carry forward the consonant sound with the vowel. The vowel coming just after it. Here, it is starting with a consonant. So, I will keep this consonant also silent. Is that clear? That is why it is
Yes,
called
ma'am.
il son. Here also, I am keeping this S silent. I am just taking out the sound of the other S. Il son, ils ont, and ils vont. Here,
Ma'am, S is always silent.
beta S is silent in the case if it is being followed by a consonant. If it is being followed by a vowel, we will take out its sound. We will take out the sound. Like I want
Okay,
to
ma'am.
say, now listen, beta. We have learned, like I want to
Ma'am.
say, lay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Wait, I will clear the doubt. If I'm talking about something plural, like I say, les garçons, the boys. I'm not saying les garçons, right? What am I saying? Les garçons. But if I'm saying the students, what am I saying? Les élèves. Have you ever noticed this difference? Les élèves. Why? Because élève is starting with E. That is why I'm carrying forward the sound of S. But in garçon, I'm not calling it les garçons. It is les garçons. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now ask.
Ma'am, in the ma'am, like il on the ma'am, so we will carry out the S.
Yes. When we are speaking they have, we will call it ils ont. Z sound निकलेगी, Z sound. That is
Okay,
the
ma'am.
difference between ils ont and ils sont. Otherwise हमें कैसे पता चलेगा? हम दोनों को ils sont लिख सकते हैं ना, दोनों को SONT लिख देंगे. The difference in between is between sont and zon. Ils ont, ils sont. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Any other query?
And ma'am, silent is
साइलेंट तो बेटा यहाँ हुआ ना, जब हम इसको VONT के साथ बोलेंगे. Ils vont, ils vont, elles vont. क्यों हम साइलेंट रखेंगे? क्योंकि यहाँ भी यहाँ भी कॉन्सोनेंट है और यहाँ भी कॉन्सोनेंट है. तो जो लास्ट में जो कॉन्सोनेंट आता है हम उसको साइलेंट रखते हैं. ठीक है?
okay, ma'am.
यस. हम ये बोलते हैं LES को. आज तक मैंने आपको क्या पढ़ाया है? क्या होता है LES? कभी भी इसको लेस पढ़ाया है मैंने? ले पढ़ाया है ना, ल ला ले, राइट? बस that's the logic. From here you can make out how it is to be done. Le, tu a, we don't say tu as, tu a, il a. ये सारे कॉन्सोनेंट्स जो लास्ट में आ रहे हैं, दे आर ऑल साइलेंट. य वे, थ्यू वा, नूज आलों, नूज आलोन्स नहीं बोलते, नूज आलों, वूज आले, जेड साइलेंट छोड़ दिया, एस साइलेंट छोड़ दिया. सब कुछ लास्ट में जितने कॉन्सोनेंट्स आएंगे, दे आर लेफ्ट साइलेंट. यस्वी, नॉट यस्वीज, इट्स यस्वी. Now again I am going to give you a few expressions like those. Try to do it. Looking at this table now. Okay, now nobody will make any mistake. I am. You have.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to do them in a copy.
Yes, beta. She is.
Okay, ma'am.
They go and also they have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just do the 5 of these.